how to gift games on Epic Games. So if you want to gift games on Epic Games, then first you need to open up your Epic Games launcher. Once you have your Epic Games, now you just need to simply go with a game, any game that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply choose a random game. Once you've selected the game, wait for it to load, and then go with the right side which has Buy Now option. If you click on Buy Now, then it will load your order and it will take you to the payment methods section. Right. Now here you can see that you will have the wallet option or other payment methods, which is credit or your PayPal, or you will have the Epic Rewards. So as you have in Steam that you can gift your games, but on Epic Games we don't have that option. We don't have the option to gift the games to our friends or any other person. So unfortunately, it means that we won't be able to send the gift of the game to our friends because we don't have that option. That feature is not introduced in Epic Games. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.